Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup SMS backups using Google One on Android, full guide step by step clearly. To backup your SMS messages using Google One on your Android device, begin by ensuring that you have the Google One app installed. Open the Google One app on your Android phone. If prompted, sign in with your Google account. Once logged in, look for the storage option at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Storage to view your current storage usage. Next, locate the Backups section. In the Backups section, tap on Set Up Data Backup if you haven't set it up yet. You will see a list of items you can backup. Find and select messages from the list. Make sure the toggle next to Messages is turned on. If you wish to customize your backup settings, tap on Backup Options to select your preferences. Confirm that you want to include SMS messages by following any additional prompts. Once you have finished selecting your backup options, tap on the Backup Now button. The backup process will begin and may take a moment to complete. You can check the progress of your backup in the app. Once the backup is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. If you need to restore your SMS messages later, you can do so using the same Google One app. This full guide will help you ensure that your SMS messages are safely backed up with Google One. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.